Hey guys, so today we are going to install the Black Widow exhaust on the FZ09. So I got the exhaust right here. So we're going to open it up and then install it. Two boxes. Oh, that's a nice touch. Black Widow cap stickers. The way it goes is on here they have numbered it as number 1, as you can see. There is numbers here, number 1, and then there is a corresponding number on here which also says 1, 2 and 3. So that's how it should match. So what I'm going to do is apply that paste and then try to attach it. So if I have to give you guys one tip, then I would say don't try to prefix all the 3 pipes and try to put it in there. Do one at a time. Put the first pipe in, then the second. As you put the second, kind of adjust this, how this goes in, and then that helps to automatically align the bottom part of it. So 1 on top, 2 and 3 at the bottom, and that will automatically align when you try to adjust this thing individually. So put this individually, and then here you'll see a gap, but then when you try to put this short pipe, that will align. I highly recommend that you do not try to put the entire piece and try to put it in. It's gonna be a pain. Alright, so now to the final part, which is mounting this bracket. It uses the OEM screws. Alright, so as per the instruction manual, it says we need to reuse the OEM M8 bolts and washers, and it goes behind the bolt. You see 2 bolts up here, 2 of them. It's behind the front foot peg where the old OEM washer used to go. So it goes behind that. The 2 holes perfectly line up, and then we just have to put this. Alright, so now it's time to put the header. They have supplied the nut that goes behind it here, so you can just put the screw in. Also note that in the OEM you have the washer on both screws, this side and the other side. So when you put the second screw, the front hole, you don't have to put the washer, so just the screw and the nut. Alright, that looks good. Alright, so here is the actual silencer itself. So that's where you want to connect, and you can attach this hanger thing. Let's put this pipe in. So as you can see, there is enough clearance once you put that. So the hanger almost sits towards the end of the pipe. Alright, so the bike is almost ready. I think I just have to wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol just to remove any fingerprints and oil. I have torqued down all the nuts on the front. So those are torqued down at 14 foot-pound of torque or 20 Newton meter. I reconnected the O2 sensor here, so you just kind of hand tighten it and use the 7 by 8 to, so just go for one full turn, and that should be good. And then I have routed this back and connected the O2 sensor back here, so that's all good. The bolts behind that's also torqued down to 14 foot-pound of torque. I attached the clamp here, so that's all good. So it should be all set. I'm gonna start this up and let's see how it sounds. Before I start, let me rub it with some alcohol here. So I think I'm ready. I'm gonna start this up for the first time after the install. Alright guys, so that's the quick install of the Black Widow exhaust. It's the FZ200 model that I got. Oh, this damn airplane. I mean, look at it. From an install perspective, it's very clean, very neat and tidy. As you can see, looks awesome. It's kind of underneath the bike, so when you look at it like that view, it's kind of hidden. And there is enough clearance. If you look at it, nothing is touching. There is enough clearance between the tire and the swing arm. Pretty happy with the install, and it sounds good. It's shooting flames, so it's all good. I can now and go start riding. Alright guys, see you later. If you like this install, if you have any questions, drop the comments down below. I'll try to answer your questions. And if you have any suggestions or anything else that you would like to see, let me know in the comment section below. Take care. See you in the next one. Bye.